Hello children, I am Mrs. Nehal Godambe, your English teacher. Dear children, in today's session we are going to see and listen a story written by who was Leo Tolstoy? Leo Tolstoy was one of the greatest authors of all time. He authored many novels, short stories and philosophical works. His ideas on non-violence had influenced great men like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. Tolstoy wrote many stories for children. We will see here some of the storybooks which was written by Leo Tolstoy for the children. So children, here you can see some of the book that is written by Tolstoy for the children. Stories for children. The Lion and the Puppy. Fables for children. And Fables and Fairy Tales. So these are some of the books that was written by Leo Tolstoy for the children. In today's session we are going to see and listen such a story by Leo Tolstoy for the children. Let's see the story. The name of the story is Little Girls Wiser Than Old People. See children, we are going to see this story in two parts. Today we will start with part 1. It was an early Easter. Easter, a Christian festival and holiday that is celebrated in many countries. Easter is always a Sunday. See, in India, we celebrate big festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas. Like that, Easter is also celebrated in many countries. It is one of the biggest festival. And during the Easter, how is the nature? In the yards lay snow. You can see here the courtyard of the house is full of snow. And reels ran down the village. You can see here. Reels means small streams of water which is flowing down the village. A large puddle had ran down. Puddle? A small pool of rainwater in the ground you can see here. So, a large puddle had ran down from a manure pile. Manure pile. You can see here on both sides of that reel there is a manure pile. Pile means heap of manure you can notice here. And at this puddle two girls had met. These are the two girls whose story we are going to see today. So she is Akulka and this one is Malasha. So these are the two friends, Akulka and Malasha. Both of them had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes. As it was Easter, both of them were in their new clothes. The little girl had a blue dress and the elder one was in yellow one. You can see in the picture. And both had their heads wrapped in a red kerchief. You can see they have wrapped their hair in red kerchief. You can see, we can say scarf also. After prayers in the church, the two girls went to the puddle. First of all, in the morning, these two girls went to church for prayers, and afterwards they went to the puddle, where they showed their new garments to each other and began to play. Children, you know that whenever we wear new clothes, we are in a hurry to show to our friends. So here also these girls showed their new garments, their new dresses to each other, and they began to play. They wanted to splash in the water. As it was a puddle, there was a muddy water, and both of them wanted to play in that water. They wanted to splash the water. The little girl started to go into the puddle with her shoes on. But the older girl said to her, as you know, that they had come there directly from the church, so they were in their shoes, and directly with her shoes on, she was trying to go in the puddle. But the older girl, she was a bit wiser than her. She stopped her, and what did she say? She said, "Don't go, Malasha. Your mother will scold you. I'll take off my shoes and you do the same." Here you can see Akulka told Malasha not to go with her shoes in that puddle. So she told her to take off her shoes, and both of them they did the same, and then they went into the puddle. Then Malasha stepped it up to her ankles. You can see here the water has reached to the level of her ankles. And what did she say? She said, "It is deep, Akulka. I am afraid." She was afraid of that deep water. So she said to Akulka, "Akulka, this water is deep. I'm afraid. I'm afraid of flowing." Then what did Akulka said to her? Akulka said, "Never mind. It will not be any deeper. Come, come straight towards me." She asked her to come near her. Then both of them they came closer to each other. Then Akulka warned Malasha. What did she say? "Look, Malasha, look out and do not splash it up, but walk softly." Akulka told Malasha not to splash it up, not to splash in the water, but to put her foot softly in that water. But she had barely said that when Malasha plumped her foot into the water. She put it very heavily and bespattered Akulka's new dress, and not only her dress but also her nose and eyes. All the muddy water splashed on her new dress as well as on her nose and eyes too. When Akulka saw the spots on her dress, she grew angry at Malasha and scolded her. She was very angry with the situation, and she scolded a lot to the Malasha, and she ran after her and she wanted to strike her. She wanted to slap her. When Malasha saw this scene, she got frightened, and seeing what trouble she had caused, what mistake she has committed, she jumped out of the puddle and ran home. Here you can see Malasha is running towards her home. So, in this way, Malasha has spoiled Akulka's dress, on which Akulka got very angry. and what happened next. We will continue with the story in next part. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye. Thank you.